Dumpster Rental Service in Callicoon, New York. At NextGen Dumpster Rental, we're here to simplify your next cleanup or renovation with our dependable dumpster rental service in Callicoon, New York. Whether taking on a big construction job or just clearing out the garage, our team has the tools and experience to keep your project moving forward without a mess. We offer many dumpster sizes to handle household junk and heavy debris. Choosing the right one is easy with our friendly support team ready to guide you. Our dumpster rental service is built around flexibility and reliability. We schedule delivery and pickup around your timeline and always arrive on time. There is no waiting or hassle, you can just count on fast and efficient service. Every project has challenges, but waste removal shouldn't be one. That's why we keep our process straightforward, with transparent pricing, easy ordering, and excellent customer support. You'll never be left guessing when you rent from us. From home renovations to commercial cleanouts, our customers throughout Callicoon rely on us for top-quality dumpsters and no-fuss rentals. Our containers are rigid, clean, and capable of handling everything you throw in. Call NextGen Dumpster Rental at 845-456-0335 to reserve your dumpster. Let us help you take control of your cleanup so you can focus on what's next.